class 9, you have already studied about coordinate geometry. So the branch of mathematics in which geometry problems are solved through algebra by using coordinate system is known as coordinate geometry. And you have studied that to locate the position of an object or a point in a plane, we require two perpendicular lines. You can see here two perpendicular lines, and one of this line is horizontal and the other line is vertical, and this plane is called as Cartesian plane or coordinate plane. The name of this plane is Cartesian plane or coordinate plane, and the lines are called as coordinate axis. So we have 2 points here. One is coordinate plane and the second one is coordinate axis. So the two coordinate axes are x-axis and y-axis. The horizontal line is called as x-axis and the vertical line is called as y-axis. So we usually will denote like this. And this coordinate axis, that means this x-axis and the y-axis, divide this Cartesian plane into 4 parts. You can see here 4 parts. First part, second part, third part and fourth part. Each part is called as quadrant. We will call it as quadrant. And the point of intersection of these axes is origin, usually not by 0, origin. And to the right of 0 we have positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. To the left of zeros we have negative numbers -3, -4, -5, -6, and to the top of 0 we have positive numbers and bottom we have negative numbers. Now the distance of a point from y-axis, that is called as x coordinate, and distance of a point from x-axis is called as y coordinate, and together we will say as coordinate. So distance of a point from x-axis. So how will I name this? Distance of a point from x-axis, from y-axis. So that is x coordinate. So from here to this point it is 3 centimeter, and distance of a point from x-axis, that is y coordinate, 3, 2. So this distance from this point to the x-axis, it is 2 centimeter. So this point is named as 3, 2. Okay. In the same way we can say that if you want to name this, the distance of a point from y-axis, that will be your x coordinate, and the distance of a point from x-axis will be your y coordinate. Or you can name like this: you take the perpendicular distance down and see where it is touches, that is -4, and draw a perpendicular line to y-axis. See that point where it is touches, so that is 2. So -4, 2 is the coordinate of this point. And coordinate of origin will be 0, 0. So this is how you will mark the point. So if I want to mark this point, I will draw a perpendicular from that point B to x-axis. See where it is touching, it is 7. The same as distance of this point from, if you do like this also, you will get the same answer, that is the distance of a point from y-axis, that will be your x coordinate, and distance of a point from x-axis will be your y coordinate. So if you measure this distance, it is 4, or you draw a perpendicular line, see where it is touching the y-axis, that point will be your y coordinate, and the coordinate of origin are 0, 0. And again, you know the sign convention. In first quadrant, both x coordinate and y coordinate will be plus. In second quadrant, x coordinate will be negative and y coordinate will be positive. In third quadrant, both x coordinate and y coordinate will be negative. In fourth quadrant, x coordinate will be positive and y coordinate will be negative. Also, you have studied that linear equation in two variables of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. When represented graphically, you will have a straight line and the graph of the quadratic equation is a parabola. So, all this are done in Cartesian plane. So, why we are studying coordinate geometry? It has got wide application in the field of engineering, navigation, physics, seismology, etc. In the appliances like camera and the scanner, actually coordinate geometry is used. You will be studying all this in your higher classes. In this chapter, you are going to learn how to find distance between 2 points in a Cartesian plane. Also, how to find midpoint of 2 points in the Cartesian plane, and to find out area of triangle when its 3 coordinates are given, when its 3 vertices in terms of coordinates are given. So all this will be discussed in the upcoming videos. So thank you for watching my video.